This is the best Korean rice cream recipe. Do you struggle with dull skin acne or uneven skin tone? I'm about to show you a natural skincare remedy that brightens your skin, fights acne, and nourishes your face. Save this video so you don't forget. Now, let me show you exactly how to make this step by step. First, grab 1 cup of rice because it's packed with skin-loving nutrients like vitamins B and E, amino acids, and antioxidants. These help to brighten dull skin, support skin repair, improve elasticity, and give that smooth, radiant glass skin effect. Once it's clean, add water and let it soak for 24 hours. After 24 hours, pour the rice and the same water into a blender. Blend until it becomes smooth and milky. Next, strain it. Now, leave the liquid to sit undisturbed for a few hours. It allows natural separation to occur. Carefully pour away the excess water and keep the thick layer. Now, let's turn it into a cream. Take 3 tablespoons of the rice extract and add it to a clean bowl. Next, add 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Then add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now, your natural Korean rice cream is ready.